Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the last content of the rectifications of error. Today I will tell you the techniques related to the one-sided error, how to pass the rectifying entries. Now you may see the rectifications of errors which are affecting to the trial balance called as one-sided error. So when the one-sided error is there, the error which affects to the one account can be rectified by giving the explanatory note and by opening the suspense account. But before to rectifying, come to the point of the trial balance. When you prepare the trial balance, it means you have to tally the debit and credit side. Sometimes it doesn't tally. When it doesn't tally, it means the debit side is suppose short. Then you have to fill the debit side with the name of suspense account, which side is short, debit. That means when you are preparing the suspense account, you have to put this difference, the same of the trial balance, to the debit side of the suspense account. In the same, if the credit side is short when you are preparing the trial balance, then put the suspense account on the credit of the trial balance. When it is on the credit side, when you open the suspense account, it means it will be on the credit side of the suspense it account with the name of the difference in trial balance. So first item will come from the difference in the trial balance, which side is short. Debit is short, then it will come to the debit of the suspense account. If credit is short, and it will come to the credit side of the suspense account. It is open way from the this difference of the trial balance. Now this error is to be affect only the one account, and it can be rectified by the explanatory note. This note will be given, that means in the account before preparing the trial balance, but when it is prepared, then the suspense account will be open. So now you may have to go to the when suspense account is open. If the trial balance doesn't tally, one-sided error is there, accountant has to close the accounting process for preparing the final account. So there is a need for the shorter time. Temporary account is open called as suspense account. When it is closed, suspense account is closed. When all the errors are located and rectified, that means the suspense account is automatically closed. So if the trial balance still shows the balance, debit balance, then shows to the asset side in the balance sheet. If still showing the credit balance, then show to the liability side with the name of suspense account. Now the process of rectifying the one-sided error means the example we are taking, number 1. Credit sales to Mohan. This is the one entry I have taken. Like you know very well, Mohan to sales should be done as the correct entry at the number 2 has been passed. Mohan to sales 10,000. What you have done, that is, were not posted in his account. These one-sided errors always remain the error at the time of posting, not the time of recording. When posting is there, it is called as ledger posting. So when ledger posting is prepared, it means the two accounts are needed, like the Mohan account debit to sales with the 10,000 should be affected. Mohan with the debit side and the sales should be the credit side should be affected. But the question is saying were not posted in his account. When it is in his account, it is reference to only to the Mohan account. One account is Mohan account. It is not entered into the Mohan account. As per the entry, correct entry, Mohan is debited with the 10,000. It means the wrong effect is Mohan is not entered. So that's why it is writing nil. So what should we do? Only the rectifying the entry with the correct value, Mohan account debit with the 10,000. And the second error is to be deleted the suspense account, which is already open in the trial balance. So it means when you are putting the Mohan account, automatically the suspense account will be deleted. So this is the correct entry now. Now go to the example numbers 2. That means the credit sales to Mohan with the 10,000 but posted his account. When the posted word is there, it means the ledger posting is there. His account means Mohan account is getting error with the 7,000 in place of 10. So what will happen? You have to observe the Mohan. Mohan is posted with the 7,000 but should be with the 10,000. So it is short by the 3000. It means the Mohan is to be debited with the 3000, and then to suspense account will be listed with the 3000. Now the examples number third is referring to credit sales to Mohan with the 10,000 and posted in his account 12,000. So what does it means? The Mohan should be debited with the 10,000 but has been posted as the 12,000, 2,000 more. So what does it means? It will be reversed with the 2,000. So Mohan will be credited with the 2,000 and the suspense account will be debited. So these are the examples now which you have to pass. Now I am moving to the sample of the suspense account. First you have to pass all the journal entries. It may be of related with the one-sided, it may be related with your two-sided. Two-sided don't have the suspense account, but the one-sided will reflect the after the rectification the suspense account. Sometimes the question says you to open the suspense account also. So your first duty is to write down the difference in the trial balance. If the trial balance debit side is short, so the difference should put to the debit side. If credit side is short, then put to the credit side. Here we have putting to the debit side by assuming it is short. Now see the rectifying entries. Only the suspense account you have to see. If the suspense account is debit, to show the items to the debit side like the laser posting. Here we have taken the few items, and if the suspense account credit, then pass the entries like purchase, sales, purchase and sale, debit to suspense entries is there. So you have to pass all these entries and then you have to compile the both. If the totals are same, it means the errors are located. By forcefully, you should not try to match it. But if it is tally, it means that all the errors have been located. But if doesn't tally, keep the balance, and this balance may be to the debit side brought down and may be to the credit side brought down. If it is on the debit side, then it will be go to the asset side. Otherwise, it will go to the liability side. So the rectifications of errors sometime forwarded to the next year if the all the errors are not located once, so the it is to be forwarded to the carry forward to the next year. So the when the errors committed in the one accounting years located and can be rectified in the next year, then the suspense account will not be treated. In place of this, the profit and loss adjustment word is to be used, which is not in your syllabus now. You have to only to keep the balance only, because further detail, this is only for your information, means the this will be rectified with the profit and loss adjustment account with the all the details. It is the advanced knowledge, but as per your syllabus you have to if suspense account is not closed, then you have to keep it like a balance. So I think this is the clear aspect now. You should make the practices with the journal entry and try to prepare the suspense account for your more clarities. Thank you.